This is the ORICO 2580U3 retro cassette hard drive enclosure. This cost us just below £6, that's around $8 in US dollars. And the reason why we bought this, well, basically, as you guys may know, our EVGA SC15 laptop, well, it basically disconnected from our hard drive, causing that drive to not only break, but losing all of our data in the process. So we went ahead and bought a brand new HDD drive, and once again, even though we've got a new drive, it still randomly disconnects. So I seen this SATA 3.0 supported HDD drive enclosure on the Banggood website, which will, well, basically turn this internal hard drive into an external one. So looking at the box, you can see we have the retro cassette. It does have a 2.5 inch enclosure, where you can expect a 5 Gbps transfer rate, a maximum 4 TB capacity, with a USB 3.0 Micro-B connection. Inside the box, we have that disc enclosure. We do have 2 retro tape stickers. We've got that USB Type A to Micro-B cable. So it looks like we've got a nice little protective pad inside. Let's take the plastic off the enclosure, apply the stickers, just like so. And no, we got no instructions. And this isn't really a problem. It's fairly straightforward to understand how this enclosure is used. And to open this enclosure up, you just simply have to slide the case open. After applying a bit of pressure, that is. Now it's open, we're gonna apply that sticky back foam padding to the central main part of the enclosure. We're going to take that brand new HDD drive, like I said, that doesn't work anymore with this EVGA laptop. I'm simply going to slide it in, placing it inside the enclosure. Yep, that's in place. Let's seal the enclosure back up. Let's plug in the USB and connect it to one of our USB ports on our EVGA laptop. Yep, as you can see, now we've got access to our drive once again, with a relatively good, decent transfer speed. Yeah, too bad actually, it's faster than what it was inside. Again, this ORICO HDD drive enclosure has a SATA 3.0 main control chip with a UASP protocol. It does indeed have a built-in LED illumination, but also this particular enclosure has a 10-minute sleep mode built in for when this drive is no longer in use. And no, I've got to say that an IDG interface will definitely not be supported at all with this particular ORICO hard drive enclosure today. So yeah, that's basically it. I've got my drive back now, and I do personally think that this product supplies me with exactly what I needed. Like I mentioned, it has got a pretty good transfer speed, with that old internal HDD drive now being used as a portable drive when on the go. So yeah, I'm going to give my overall score of around 9 out of 10. And that is basically because we didn't get the instructions within the box, and this would have come in handy just to simply know how to open the enclosure itself. We did almost break it after 2 minutes. Luckily enough, we managed to slide it open with a bit of pressure and not completely break it before we got use out of it. But that's it really, that's my only complaint. It's a very good idea, it's exactly what I need. Now I can simply take my files when I'm editing on the go, and furthermore, I can now bring that HDD drive that is now external, plug it into my home PC and take some of the files off with ease without having to transfer my files to a USB stick or connect my laptop to a PC. But yeah, I will leave a link for this enclosure in the video description down below. This is a very short video today, just a handy good gadget that I think you guys would really like. Take a look for yourselves and make sure you know the compatibility before you start clicking that buy button. But as usual, when you're in that video description, why not go ahead and click that like button? I'd very much appreciate it. Please subscribe today, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. So I hope this video helped today. I hope it was nice and handy, and I hope to see you guys on the very next video. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and peace!